Hello students, today we will study about complex numbers. Like first we will study about real numbers, like there will be x square is equal to 16. Then what are the values of x? So that whole square becomes 16. If I put 4, then 4 square is equal to 16. If I put minus 4, then minus 4 square is also 16. This means the values of x will be highest power of 2, means highest power of x. It means there will be two values of x. These are plus 4 and minus 4, right? The same thing you can write like x square is equal to 16, then x will be plus minus square root of 16, and the square root of 16 means 4. So the values of x will be plus 4 and minus 4. On the other hand, if we say x square is equal to minus 16, that means find the values of x whose square becomes minus 16. Neither minus 4 square becomes minus 16, right? Nor 4 square becomes minus 16. This means x cannot become minus 4 or 4. So the values of x are neither 4 nor minus 4. In the same way, we can say if x square is equal to minus 16, the x will be plus minus under root of 16. Now, how will you solve this? You will break this minus 16 as minus 1 into 16. And then again you will break that into square root of minus 1 into square root of 16. Now, square root of 16 from here is equal to 4, and this is a square root of minus 1. This is a Greek letter, it is called iota, IOTA, and this is denoted by small I. The values of x are plus minus iota times of 4, or you can say 4 iota. So in this case, x is equal to 4 iota and minus 4 iota. These terms including iota are called complex numbers, or you can say imaginary numbers. Now there are few properties of this letter iota. We will denote iota as equal to square root of minus 1, and iota square means squaring of this. The squaring of this will become minus 1. So the value of iota square is minus 1. Iota cube, you will write iota square into iota. Iota square is minus 1. Minus 1 into iota means minus iota. Iota 4, you can write iota square into iota square. This means minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So the value of iota raised to the power 4 is equal to 1. So there are 4 these values of iota related. We have to learn these. Now if we want to solve few terms which are given in iota, like simplify. Simplify means let iota plus 3 raised to the power 2. What will be the simplification of this? So first, you will not write iota is equal to square root of minus 1, but you will always write square root of minus 1 as iota. Like if we have to solve this, first we will apply identity, iota square plus 3 square, right, plus 2 into AB, iota into 3. Iota square means minus 1 plus this is 9 plus 3 2s are 6 iota. Now 9 minus 1, 8 plus 6 times of iota. This is the simplification of this. Iota you will not write square root of minus 1, right? So this is the simplification of this sum. One more question is there. 2 into iota raised to the power 29 plus 6 into iota raised to the power 100 plus 1 upon iota cube. We have to write this expression, this complex number, in this form, means a plus iota b, where a and b are real numbers. So again we will solve. How will you solve this? 2 into iota raised to the power 29, you can write iota raised to the power 4 into 6, and the remaining 6 4 is 24 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Iota raised to the power 5, right? Then plus 6 into iota raised to the power 4 raised to the power 25. 25 4s are 100. This is completed. Now iota cube means 1 upon iota cube means minus iota. We have already told you. This is 1. 1 raised to the power 6 means 1. So 2 into 1 into, this is iota 4 into iota. Iota 4 you can again write 1 and iota. Plus 6 into, this is 1. 1 raised to the power 25 means 1. This is only 1. This 1 upon minus iota. So minus you can take it here. So see here, 2 into 1 into 1 into iota means 2 iota, plus 6 into 1, 6. And remember, iota should not be in the denominator. So what will you do? You can multiply and divide by iota. Multiplying and dividing by iota. Now see, this is, finally you can write it, 2 iota plus 6 minus iota upon, this will become iota square. Iota into iota means iota square. And iota square means minus 1. Again it will become minus 1. This is iota, this is minus 1. So minus 1 will come here, it will become plus. So 2 iota plus 6 plus iota. So 2 iota plus iota means 3 iota. The remaining thing is 6 plus 3 iota. This is the form in this type. So this is called complex number. So any complex number can be written in the form of a plus iota b. So complex numbers are denoted by z also, small z. Z means complex numbers, right? Small z.